girl, big bumper, pretty good face of the fuck, girl. Ride it, ride it. Bubble up.
What's up, guys? It's your girl, Bad Gal D. And I'm here, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, I'm sorry that I look so crazy, but I have an explanation as to why I look this crazy. But before we even get into that, make sure y'all watch all my other videos, because if y'all not watching all those other videos that I created for y'all, what are you really doing? Oh, okay. Because, you know, I be putting my hard-earned work and all that good stuff for y'all, and this how y'all treat me? This how y'all treat me? Oh, okay. This is why you can't be nice to people no more. Like, you gotta treat people a certain way nowadays because they don't understand the value. And y'all, we'll get into that too. I'm not even about to turn my ring light on because that's just too much work right now. But I just set up my camera all crooked and all because I wanted to tell y'all a little secret. A little secret. Let me tell y'all. I can't tell y'all right now because that's just a lot of work. But just know that I have this very exciting vlog coming for y'all. Very, very exciting. So y'all, let's get into this real quick. So basically maybe it was the last week that I had one that I posted. I don't even remember or recall. But I curled my hair, and this is what happened, y'all. This is what happened. So, moral of the story, be careful when you're curling your hair, or just don't curl it at all. Yeah, so the reason why I'm looking so crazy is because your girl is broke. I'm sorry, I'm broke. I lost my job. I'm broke. I'm down bad. Ain't got no money. Nah, me stop. God forbid. But y'all, the reason why I'm looking this crazy is because your girl is about to go on vacation. And if y'all want to know where I'm going, make sure y'all tuning into the motherfucking vlogs, okay? But yeah, y'all, I will definitely be vlogging that because I know I'm supposed to be posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, which I've been a little slacky because there's one video I just been taking mad long to edit because I have so much stuff going on because of this vacation. I gotta make sure that I got my time in to, you know, be paying for stuff and all that good stuff and all this the good stuff and all that good stuff and all that good stuff and all this good stuff, right, okay. So yeah, y'all, I'm going on vacation, and y'all will know where I'm going when I get there. But until then, y'all just gonna be on this little trip, on this little journey with me. I'm just gonna do like a get ready with me, I'm going on vacation vlog, so it's gonna be all in one. So it's not gonna be just one day thing, it's gonna be like a consistent thing, like every time I do something for the vacation, you know. I'm pretty sure y'all know how it works. If you don't, then now you gonna know after I drop this vlog, okay. But yeah, y'all, so I just wanted y'all to be on this journey with me because I haven't traveled since March 2021 with my sis Kim. We went to the Yams for spring break in the middle of COVID, and we enjoyed ourselves. I'm not gonna lie, we enjoyed ourselves, and I feel like because of us, that's why everybody went this year. And we was gonna go again this year, but our girl was on lockdown. Let me stop. But yeah, y'all. So I haven't traveled. I haven't been on a plane since over a year now, almost 2 years. So I'm very excited for this trip, this vacation. I'm gonna have the best time of my life. Even if I gotta stay in the room all day, I'm gonna enjoy myself. I'm gonna find a way to enjoy myself, okay? Because I ain't pay no money for nothing. You heard what I said. I did not pay no money for nothing. No money, okay? But yeah, so I'm currently about to take out my suitcase and see what I have home already that I can pack for my trip and what I don't have, so I know what to buy, just to help me save money, because I'm really in the process of trying to save money to do and get all the goals and stuff that I need to get pushing, feel me? So I'm just gonna sort through my whole discombobulated room right now, because I already started kinda, and it's looking type crazy. I ain't gonna show it because I don't need y'all too much in my life now, feel me? Okay, but yeah, y'all, so I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and yeah, I'll probably vlog my suitcase, like what I packed to go, and then that'll give y'all like a little a little a little but other than that, y'all, yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And make sure you tune into my Instagram, my TikTok. All my information is down below in the description box. So make sure you check that out. And make sure you comment in on my videos. Anything you want to see. Anything you enjoyed about my video. Anything like that. Because, yeah. Yeah. Anyways, y'all, let me get right into this because I have to finish editing my other video and I have to try to get everything together because I'm trying to order my stuff by tonight so it could come in time because I leave next week. And today's date is the 21st of December, sort of for, yeah, I gotta pack it up. I gotta, y'all, I'm turning off the camera. This is what happens when you don't have any friends, because you just end up talking to yourself the whole entire time for 7 minutes. Like, this is what happens. Like, you can't do that to yourself, dude. You can't, but you can. Okay? Okay. Love y'all. I see you in the next clip. Bye. So, y'all, I have a reason as to why my lashes look crazy, why my hair look crazy, and why my room look crazy. And I got 4 more days. I got 4 more days. I be trying to plan everything out. Everything is stressing me out right now because none of my packages came yet, and I have 4 days left. None of my packages came. Every single one of them is talking about something. They come in the day that I'm leaving, like, you're bugging. I'll pick it up. I'll drive the boat. Just pick it up. Like, you're bugging. I need it right now. Like, you're bugging. So y'all, yeah, I'm really excited for this trip, y'all, because I haven't had a trip in a long time, you know. And my eyes are gonna be looking crazy because my lashes not done. When my lashes not done, my eyes look even worse than what they actually is. But we're not gonna talk about that, because if we talk about that, then it's gonna be a problem. All right. But yeah, y'all, I'm going on this little trip. But my room looks crazy right now because I just finished doing hair. I should have recorded it, but I didn't because, you know, some people just don't like to be recorded. Plus, it was just like last minute. It wasn't last minute, but it was just like, I was tired. I was really tired until, like, you know, I started doing my hair and stuff like that. But yeah, my hair is looking crazy because I'm getting my hair done, so I don't really care. This was just for Christmas. I'm so weird, y'all. But yeah, this was just for Christmas, so Christmas is over now. I don't really care for Christmas like that. The older I get, the less I care, so I didn't really ask for nothing. I just want a puppy, and nobody want to give me a puppy. So if I'm not getting no puppy, then I don't care. I don't want nothing. I put this shoulder up, I put this shoulder up, and I drop them because I don't care. But yeah, y'all, right now I'm home by myself. I'm probably just gonna do laundry, clean up my room, and see if I want to get my toes done. Because I don't think I'm really doing anything on Wednesday either. I'm getting my eyebrows done. No, I'm getting my lashes done. I don't even know. But I know that my packages need to come ASAP. Because my hairstylist even texted me just now. I was like, baby girl, your appointment's on Friday. So what were you doing? Why I don't got your hair yet? This is crazy. I'm not with this last minute stuff. And I'm like, baby girl, me either. because I don't like last minute stuff either. And these people playing with me. They playing with me. And I don't feel like purchasing no other wig right now because that's just doing too much. That's just doing a little too much. Like, but unless, let's see, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If it comes on Thursday, bro. No, because that's still gonna be too late. I don't know, y'all. Let me see. I'ma think. I don't know, because I have this vendor that could ship it in like a day. Like, she go like that. She go like that. But I already spent my bread on this wig, bro, and I'm trying not to spend so much money on wigs. Even though I could just get a refund. But then that's just gonna take a minute to get back in my account. I don't have time for that. Like, your bitch is broke. Stop. Let me not pray that on myself. But yeah, y'all. Yeah. Later, I'll probably like vlog. Yeah, I'm gonna vlog me like getting ready for my trip and stuff like that. But for now, I'm just gonna clear my room and figure out what I'm gonna do next. So, bye.
So y'all, she forgot to tell me to vlog. So. I forgot to vlog the process, but make sure y'all tune in to my cousin. She do nails.
I'm trying to figure out since when I became a mind.
Just now. You forgot? But shout out to your business. Let them know. Tell them a little something.
Cleopatra.
Mm-hmm.
Come to the pyramid. Get your nails slayed.
Okay.
Queens and kings.
She's so beautiful. Stop playing with sis, okay? So let's get into the nails real quick, okay? Yeah. Okay. My hand's a little itchy.
Cream and pink.
Okay. Vacation ready. Stop playing with sis. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I do my lashes. Alright, guys. So I got my nails done. I'm so bad at like vlogging to do what I'm doing and all that good stuff, but you know, practice makes perfect. So, but I currently just left work, so I had to literally shoot straight to Brooklyn. That's where I'm going now. Y'all probably like, why is she going to Brooklyn? Like, and that's because y'all, my package, my hair was supposed to come on Friday, which is the day I'm leaving, but God was by my side, of course, like always, and he was like, you know what, I'm gonna let it come 2 days early. So my package came for my hair, and she was like, can you drop it off Wednesday the latest? And today's Wednesday, and it came last night. So I told her I could drop it off yesterday too, and she was like, no, just drop it off tomorrow. So I'm currently going to her house, to drop off my hair, which I got right next to me. And honestly, I like this hair. Like, I never bought from this company before, but so far the knots is very, very small, and it's giving very much HD lace, transparent. It's not HD, it's transparent, but it's giving very much HD. The only thing I don't like is that I could have sworn I ordered 13x6, because DH don't really do 13x4 because she like her long big parts for me, and she likes to style it different types of ways. So yeah, it looks more like a 13x4, but you know, it's not a big deal if it is.
Rerouting. You save 4 minutes via I-495 West Long Island Expressway, Queens.
And we can't do the other way, then yeah, I guess we're just gonna have to like figure it out. But yeah, I'm not trying to be on my phone too much because DH is not trying to get no tickets. But yeah, so I'm on my way to drop off my hair right now. So once I finish dropping it off, I'll get back to you guys to see what I'm gonna do next, because DH is very last minute. Like, I dead leave in 2 days. My package for my clothes and email come yet. Like, they say it's supposed to come tomorrow. Fingers crossed they do. So I can pack tomorrow. I still have to do my eyebrows. I get my lashes done tomorrow. So yeah, I'm looking crazy, but it's gonna be worth it at the end, I promise. So make sure y'all keep tuning in. Okay.
So guys, I just finished my lashes. Yeah. Period. Tune into my sis. I'm probably just gonna go back and just put in my vlog real quick. But if I don't, tune into Bougie Links. Stop playing with me. Yeah, it's been a really hectic day. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's been really hectic, and I'm just glad that it's almost over at this point. Like, I'm just glad it is almost over, y'all. Tomorrow I'll get my eyebrows done. I'll get my eyebrows done and my hair done, and that'll be it, y'all. Then I'm on my way. Look at this thing. I'm just going through it, y'all. Alright, y'all. Y'all, this is my last turn. Make sure, yes, like make sure y'all. Okay, yeah, I just showed them. It's okay, me too.
Good morning, guys. Today is the day that your girl is labor. It's bittersweet, but you know, we're gonna make it. Really sorry about that, y'all. Mama called me. But yeah, y'all. So I ain't put no sunscreen on, so I gotta be careful what I'm doing in the sun. Like, okay. But yeah, y'all. So today is the day that I'm leaving, and yeah, I'm kind of sad, not gonna lie, but currently I'm on my way home. I'm about to go shower, and then after I shower, I'm gonna head to my hair appointment, because as you can see, why am I leaving today and my hair not done? And then when I come back, I'm gonna do my eyebrows and get jiggy like that. Feel me? Hey y'all, I'm back. No, me stop. Guys, I'm back. I'm back or whatever. For me, just got my hair done. This is Jefferson. No, this is Madison. And I'm on my way back home. It's a whole hour and 20 minutes, bro. I freaking hate traffic. Traffic is not my friend, and I hate traffic, and traffic hates me. So yeah, but I'm on my way back home. I'm about to go get my eyebrows done. And is this Jefferson? This is Jefferson. And once I get my eyebrows finished, done up, and look good out, everything like that, then I already are set for go. Feel me? I have to be back in Brooklyn by 7 o'clock. It's now almost 2 o'clock. She finished me in less than an hour, bro. Less than an hour. Like, I freaking love her. Like, I love her. I freaking love her. Like, she's so quick and fast, bro. And she's not like, you know, like how some people will be all over the place or unprofessional and everything. Look at my car right next to me. But yeah, no, she's not one of them. Don't play with sis. Okay. Like, let's really get into the hair though. I can't even tell y'all. Did I tell y'all where I was going? I don't even think I told y'all where I was going. But yeah, make sure you stay tuned to see where I'm going on vacation. I haven't been on social media, but yeah, y'all. Love y'all. I gotta go use my GPS, so bye. Let me tell you something. The mall is packed. Like, the mall is packed. I don't know why is it so packed, but it's packed. I parked OD far, and I don't like that for me at all. Like, look how packed it is. Look how packed it is. I'm not doing this hair. I'm about to get my eyebrows. Oh fuck, I have to exchange. Yeah, let me go. I'm about to get my eyebrows done. Exchange this. Don't kill me now. I'm about to exchange this. Get my eyebrows done. And keep it pushing, because they got me fucked up. I'm gonna catch y'all though. The mall is so packed, y'all. Like, I can't. The mall is so packed. Never. This is why I hate going to the mall. Like, I literally only go to the mall for my eyebrows. Or if it's a last minute thing. But yeah. Somebody got me sick. And once I find out who got me sick, I swear to you, I'm beating the shit out of them. Because why would they do that to me? Alright. Driving that big ass car. What the fuck? Shit not ugly. But yeah, somebody got me sick. I don't know who got me sick, but it's up and stuck when I find out. Because why would you do this to me? Like, I haven't gotten sick in how long? You gonna wait till I leave to do
So
this?
y'all, I'm about to say my,
I don't want to say goodbyes, because goodbye is forever.
Out.
But I'm about to say my goodbyes and call it a day. Then go home and then freaking, I already packed, so don't gotta worry about it. They fully, yo, it is so fucking packed, bro. Here goes this dumbass just standing there. All right, y'all, let me get off the phone before I start having road rage. All right, y'all, so I made it to, oh my god, okay, I made it to the airport, and as you can see, it's fucking packed for no reason, and I'm waiting for everyone else. So yeah, they got your girl coming here early. Like, everybody knows DJ's never early, and don't mind me with my glasses either, because a girl is blind, she needs to see where she's going. But other than that, y'all, I keep y'all up to date. If you could tell, but I'm very tired. I have a headache, and I just found out that our flight got delayed. So I'm currently sitting on my suitcase because I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. Yeah, our flight is delayed. It's not boarding now until after 10. I'm tired. I'm not really hungry, but yeah, I don't really know what else. There's mad heads here, first of all. I'll probably just edit this video in the meantime. I really love this hair. It's really soft. It's giving what it's supposed to give. It smells good. Bro, they better not come this way. They locked all the doors and I don't know why. But yeah, I'll talk to you later. Crazy. He's talking about some... He just called somebody talking about some, can you pick me up so I can go back home real quick and go pay something out? But boy, you bugging out. He's really bugging out, y'all. Like, I'm not about to be, no, he's bugging. Look at him. He's bugging. Of course, you know where we had to go. I'm sorry if I was crazy, but currently waiting for my flight. I don't even know what time I'm boarding at this point. I feel like I just keep getting pushed back. I'm tired of it. I'm thirsty. I'm not even hungry. My nose keep running. I'm bugging. Whoever got me sick, or suck them mom.